Today, we're diving into the features of the GermGuardian Air Purifier, a compact powerhouse designed to keep your home environment fresh and clean. This 11-inch desktop air purifier is perfect for small spaces, effectively covering up to a 338 square foot room in just 1 hour. Equipped with a True HEPA filter, it captures up to 99.97% of harmful pollutants like germs, dust, pollen, pet dander, and mold spores, all as small as 0.3 microns. The GermGuardian doesn't just stop at filtering. Its UVC light technology works alongside titanium dioxide to kill airborne viruses such as influenza and rhinovirus, while also reducing volatile organic compounds. A pre-filter traps larger particles like dust and pet hair, extending the life of the HEPA filter, and an activated charcoal filter tackles unwanted odors from pets, smoke, and cooking fumes. With its sleek silver design, this purifier is not only functional but also a stylish addition to any room. Experience a breath of fresh air with the GermGuardian Air Purifier, where advanced technology meets everyday convenience. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.